What you see in front of you is a compounding aseptic isolator manufactured by Eurobio Concept, imported into the US by Dynamic Design Pharma. This is a demonstration of how to clean the system and prepare it for the next compounding production cycle. Let's assume that at this point the system is just been used and it is ready to be cleaned. It is still powered up, so the first step is to power it down. At this point I can open the transfer airlock door, and obviously I can have access to the inside to perform all cleaning operations using whatever solution is preferred. Then the next step is to open the access door. We do that by opening the two locking latches, raising the door, and locking it on using the provided supports. Cleaning requires removal of any loose components inside. Clearly, if this was the end of a production run, there will be leftover bottles or whatever it is that has been used, supplies for the compounding process. So those have to be all removed and discarded or disposed of. Then the loose components, such as this bin and that bin, need to be removed. The IV supporting bar needs to be removed as well. And then the floor grates need to be removed as well. As you can see now, all internal components of the system can be easily accessed for cleaning operations. The cleaning is done manually with a wipe and bactericide solution. After that process has been completed, each of the components that I just removed will be reinstalled. Of course, before reinstalling them, they need to be wiped with cleaned and then wiped with again bactericide solution. Bin number 2, and then the IV bag support rod. So at this point, everything is clean inside, but it's clearly not sterile because we have access to it. So now we can close the door. And lock it down. I would recommend at this point to power the system on so the light can come on to make visibility obviously better inside. At this point I need to go into the gloves. Naturally inside you have to provide wipes and a spray bottle with a bactericide solution of your choice, and then of course spray everything inside and wipe. And because of the various steps taken, the system is considered aseptic.